Hi guys, it's Nathan at Pumaspeed. I'm just taking a couple of minutes today to show you more in-depth detail about the Gemini Induction Kit. We've got one for the MK8 1 litre and we've got one for the MK8 ST. The ST one is what we've obviously got on display here now today, which I'm going to take through with you. The idea behind the purpose of the induction kit and also why it's called the Gemini is because it's got a twin feed of air. So over here we've obviously got the duct which will attach to the dual air feed on the ST, and on a 1 litre you've got the choice to purchase the dual air feed and order that separately, and in which case this piece will bolt on around there and that'll deflect or guide the air that comes through the dual air feed to go straight into the filter. So that's one source of air. The secondary source is this lower feed pipe that we've got down here. You can see the air will obviously come up through the bottom of the hose here into the hole through the tube up to the filter, and the idea behind that is the lower pressure colder air that sits down at the bottom of the bumper will be fed up as well. And then obviously we've got the custom CNC heat shield that's obviously powder coated black. It's all designed and made here in the UK. The 3D printed piece here, we make that in-house here at Pumaspeed, and all of that keeps the heat away and a dual air feed in. Further to that, the actual construction of the kit has been specifically developed to be a lot more rigid than most that you see on the market. So you see some kits which are just the hose and the filter. You see some kits where there is a heat shield, but the hose and the filter are loose. So not only do you get the heat shield falling down into the engine bay, but on a 3-cylinder, like the 1 litre and the ST, you get all sorts of engine movement in every direction. You've got forwards, backwards, you've got side to side. So you often see the heat shield and the hose loose in the engine bay. On the Gemini kit, you can see that the hose and the map housing are Jubilee clipped together on this piece of the heat shield. You can see the bracket here where the two bolts are. They are not only able to be moved up and down, but left and right to ensure the perfect fitment. And once you've got that, you can tighten them together and that's the heat shield in place forever. Then you attach the silicone hose onto the bracket there with the MAF housing, and that too is firmly fixed in place. So when you come to fit the kit, not only is it easy, understandable on where to put it, but once it's there forever. It doesn't need to move. You've got the Pro Ram filter from Ram Air, which is a fully synthetic nanofiber, so that's a lifetime filter. And yeah, as I say, the kit is truly just unmatched in its design and its performance. So I'm going to hopefully do a couple of videos on how to fit the kits into the car, but I hope this video has obviously been a bit more informative to just the pictures that we have on the website. And if there's anything else you need, please don't hesitate to give us an email, support@pumaspeed.co.uk, or message us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.